Hello. I apologize. I did forget one thing. I saran wrap the deviled eggs. Put them in the fridge, okay? See? Just like this. They really taste good when they're nice and cold too. Okay. Okay. Just to help clean it, just get the egg white off of it. That's all. There you go. I mean egg yolk. You just saran wrap it on this side too. Okay? That's all you have to do. You do that with the other one. And then you keep it in the fridge for a few days. Chances are they'll be eaten up before a few days are up. Some people will just eat the eggs and they'll be done in 2 days. Which is good. So, that's it. You make them today, add 2 to 3 days max. Okay? That's it. So it means 2 days after today. Okay? So there they are. There's the deviled eggs with pepper and all that. So that's what I almost forgot to tell you. Saran wrap it and then put it in the fridge. Once it's in the fridge for a couple hours, you're welcome to have some. You even have it before that. If you like it really cold, fridge is good.